Moisture Repair shampoo and conditioner features gently balancing formulas to repair and fortify hair. Each one is infused with antioxidant-rich argan oil, keratin proteins, and fatty acids to make sure you get more manageability, and it helps to recover its natural elasticity. It's very easy to use. We're going to be applying shampoo on our wet hair, and then we're going to massage thoroughly through the entire hair. Rinse it out, and we're going to go back to our conditioner. So now we just apply the conditioner. We can apply it from the mid-length till the ends. We're going to leaving it from 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it out.